Worry no more. With Omni M2M, your business storage tanks can monitor themselves, automatically running metrics for volume, temperature, and even delivery status. Omni M2M works by equipping storage tanks with internet-enabled hardware that connects your equipment to our cloud-based management system. This simple upgrade has economic benefits for all types of businesses, giving you real-time insight into your equipment that can be managed remotely through your PC or mobile device. Craft brewers and distillers benefit from automatically filling and heating their production tanks when it's most cost-effective, even when employees are sleeping. Industrial fuel tanks are safer with gas, fume, and volume sensing. Truck rolls are reduced and personnel are dispatched long before problems arise. With Omni M2M, dairy farms reduce spoilage, eliminate spillage, and improve delivery times. These are just a few examples of Omni M2M's tank monitoring solutions. To learn more, please view our solutions guide on our website or contact us for a free consultation today. Omni M2M, connecting devices and things.